Good morning. So it's a tour room of the broken me. Okay, so my room, not the kitchen, because they're separated. And I'm not gonna show you my kitchen / living room because it is so cluttered that I'm not gonna show it, and that's it. Okay, so when I come to my room, I have the mirror, I have a wall, and I have another wall, and the office, and that's it. Bye. Okay, so basically I have this baby here. I had to cut one of her leaves because it died. This one is also dying, I don't know why, but hey, I haven't had the time or the mental capacity to change her pot ever since I got her. Maybe that's why she's sad. Okay. I have a sofa I got on Amazon. She's not ugly, but she's so tiny. I cannot even fit in it. When I saw it on the internet, I thought, oh, she's perfect. But no, she's not. I can hardly fit. That's my kotatsu. The first thing I got when I came here was the kotatsu. Don't ask me why, but kotatsu. Tabaki was right. Kotatsu is life itself. I know. It is not a single. It is a semi double. I know. The room is small. I know. It's stupid. And I didn't even get a bed, only the mattress. I can help it. I need a big space. Even if I'm not a big person, I need a big space, okay? It is what it is. And you can see Snorlax chilling there. And that's Snoopy. He has seen better days. He definitely had seen better days. My poor Snoopy. Well, I call him Snoopy, but I believe his name here is Peanuts. He does look like a peanut. I don't know, you guys should totally check my video about the artist that I met and gave me his prints. So I put them there. I know, it's not organized, but that's the only thing I could think of at the time, and I could not get my brain to worry about it ever since. I'm glad that it's reflecting light. My curtains are actually also one of the things that I got here. I like my privacy, clearly. And that one has everything you may need for a nightstand. Yeah, it's sad. Medication basket. I know. Yeah, medication basket. Imagine. So basically, because my closet is not big enough, and most of my clothes are like to be hanged, so yeah, I don't have a choice. I had to figure something else, and I am a sucker for bags. You remember my bunny? Say hi. And you remember the baby that I made? So this one is mine. She's mine, which means I only sell one piece of the art, and that's it. So if you're going to order, you're gonna see something else. This one is sold out because I have it, and I'm making art every day, so every single piece is different and unique in its own way. That's why it's gonna be like another piece, another art. If you have a preference and you want to do a pre-order of a specific art, DM, message, email, you can go to my website and check it out. I have Noemi. Noemi is hard. I think I really like this shop, Noemi. I find myself getting a lot of stuff from Noemi. Even if I don't get it directly from Noemi, I get it from secondhand. I have like a little stand here with all the stuff that you may need for life. You know, like my old glasses. So my skincare is here because if I do not put it here, I'm gonna forget it exists. I collect every single receipt. I think I made a video about this also. I collect receipts. I got this in the new year. It's almost a month and she's still alive. I love her. No, Mizuko-chan. Say hi, Nichan. Mizuko-chan, say hi. Yeah, she's my baby. As you can see in here, I'm gonna hide the embarrassment of this one. As you can see here, it's my katakana chart. I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best. Okay, I'm trying. And this chair actually from my kitchen, because I got me a table before either of these two. I got me a table to eat on it, but I'm the only person here, so I got this one here. It's not the most comfortable, but I don't find a reason why I have to buy a desk chair when my house is like bum bum bum. If I buy any bit bigger, it won't have any space, and I don't have the money for that now. So subscribe so I can get the money. I have a habit of getting flowers, and that's why I leave them to dry. I dry them and I just leave them here. My mom says it's a bad energy thing. What do you guys think? I have Makima here holding into my necklaces. Nico here chilling, diffuser. Tanjiro, Goku. Yeah. Like I did say before, my kitsune mask. I am a weeb, so yeah. That's my desk, my pride, my latest purchase. I'm really happy with it because I used to work on my kotatsu and I almost broke my back and knees because of that. So yeah. Where did you come from? Okay. So that's room tour. I'm so awkward in front of the camera. I'll get over it. Give me time. I need time. Yeah, I take a little too long. I think I uploaded around almost 200 video. And I'm still awkward in front of the camera and I still don't know how to hold a camera. I don't know which the best angle. This one? This one? This one? This one? Okay. That's my room for now. I think I may have to move, spoiler alert, soon, because the contract is 2 years. I don't know if I want to renew 2-year contract in this house. I know I don't have to stay. I don't know. I have another problem now I have to worry about. That's not even in my brain. So I have something else. I have to work on it. So I'll figure out the house issue after. Okay, that's it for today. Do check my website if you want any personalized bag. You can DM, you can go to the website, send me an email. I have my business email up. So that's it. Bye. Ciao.